Midjourney is a paid plan tool whereby you simply need to pay in order for you to be able to generate images, right? As you can see, this is the annual subscription cost, $96 per month, which is $10 per month right here. And guys, this is so expensive right here. But guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make use of a free AI image generator right here. And this tool is called WePix. So if you simply go on to wepix.com/AI, you can easily get access to our free online AI image generation, whereby you can create art using AI and your own words. So by describing what you see, WePix AI image generation will make it happen right here. So you can easily try it out right here. And right here, guys, I've been able to create awesome images that looks exactly like this by simply making use of this free tool called the text to image tool, or the WePix text to image tool. And we also have some other tools right here like Sketch and Reimagine right here. So right here, guys, all you want to do is to select your aspect ratio. I can start to make use of square right here, and you want to simply describe what you see. So before that, you can easily go right here and choose in your style. We have lots of styles right here that you can easily select from. I can start to make use of cartoon right here. Then next, to simply choose in your color, let's make use of pastel right here. You go onto your lightening, you select your lightening. Let's make this to be cinematic. Then you see your framing right here, you want to simply do that. Then right here, guys, you want to simply describe what you want to see. So I can decide to make use of this particular prompt right here. So let's make use of this short prompt right here and simply click on to generate, and it's just going to generate 4 different images right here by simply making use of our aspect ratio, the style, color, lighting, and many more right there. So guys, let's see how this looks like. And guys, this is looking so amazing right here. So once you're done, you can easily tap onto the download button. We have the free download right here, or the premium download. So you simply click on to download right here, and you are able to download this amazing images right here. So guys, this is how you can start making use of this amazing Midjourney alternative called wepix.com.